Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do another unboxing and review of this mechanical keyboard from Maker. It's the Akko Neon 3061. Some bonus from the shop that I bought, Good Gaming Shop in Indonesia. This is a non-sponsored review by the way, but go ahead, check them out. I highly recommend this shop. Now let's check out the box. It has got 5.0 Bluetooth connections and wired, of course. The lightings are RGB, and here's the look of it. The website, if you're interested, is informations on the site are in Chinese. I can't read it, but it's made in China, obviously. The switches options are gather on pink, orange, green, white, and yellow. This one in particular is the gather on green versions. It's a clicky switch, by the way. So let's open this up. Right, I'll let you be the judge for the font as usual, but I think it's great. The USB connections is on the rear left side, right here. There's Akko logo in the front right side. Here's on the back, it has got 4 rubber pads and also 2 kinds of flap to incline your keyboard in 2 different angles, which is nice. Akko touched the fashion since 2006. What? That's funny. Anyways, this is the Bluetooth on and off switch. I switch it on and it's now in pairing mode, but we'll get to that later. This is the manual. It's available in multiple languages, no worries. What's really nice with this keyboard is they provide you with alternate keycaps color, which I'm going to switch them out right away. Here we also got the keycap puller, the USB cable. It's weird, I saw people got the purple one over the internet. I got the black one instead. It doesn't really bother me anyway though. Here's the alternate keycap I talked about just now. I got the F row as well. I think this would complete as TKL size keyboard. Akko Neon is 60%, so probably some bonus. Okay, so before we go to the feature, I'm going to change the look of it because I'm going to shelf the box afterward. This is basically up to you and your choice. Okay, then let's get a quick tour of some of its functions. First one, I'm gonna show you how to connect your keyboard via Bluetooth. Hold function and choose the channel from E, R, T, and Y. Now I'm going to connect this to my computer within channel number 2, which is functions R. Once it's blinking, it's now on pairing mode. Make sure you choose Akko in your computer, then you're ready to go. By default, every time you turn on the Bluetooth mode, the lightings are off. You can turn it on by pressing functions L. And there you go. Here's the manual. Go ahead, pause it for more detailed technical specifications. And this is the entire hotkeys feature. Let me show you some of the hotkeys. To access arrow key, hold function and press ASWD. For volume, hold functions and either one of these angle brackets. Functions M to mute. To print screen, use function P. Since there's no delete key, hold function and backspace to delete. You can also toggle ASWD keys into arrows by holding FN and W. The ASWD keys will then register as arrow keys. To reset, just repeat the same procedure. Now the caps lock indicator light kinda subtle. It will turn into white if it's on, kinda hard to see with the lighting effect turned on. Simply hold function and Windows key to lock the Windows key. There's no lock indicator, so you kinda have to try pressing it to make sure whether it's locked or not. Simply hold both left and right Windows key for 5 seconds to restore the factory settings. Next is the lighting effect. There's 18 lighting to choose from. I'm going to show some of it briefly. Hold function, open bracket to lower the intensity and close bracket to raise the intensity. There are 4 levels of intensity. You can also change the lighting effect to any color of your choice simply by pressing functions \. To speed up the lighting effect, hold function : or semicolon. The keyboard also have macro capability. It basically lets you record a sequence of inputs and access it with a single key press. I rarely use this function. Pause the video if you want to get a better understanding of it. Let's do the sound test now. So that's Akko Neon 3061. It's retail for $109.99 US. Sadly, it's non-hot swappable, but the switches options are not bad really. There are 5 get-around switches to choose from. For those who are familiar with Akko keycaps, probably know that even though their keycaps are PBT, their keycaps will shine within couple months of use. I have 5 Akko keycaps so far, so I can confirm that. As for the themes, Akko Neon keycaps are really identical to GMK laser keycaps, which are significantly at higher price. So I think this is a good alternative if you are into these color themes. The Bluetooth have slight delay issue when I press caps lock with my Mac, but I think the problem came from the Mac itself. I haven't got any issue using it with Windows though. The battery life lasts about 2 or 3 weeks of light use. 1800 milliamps is sufficient enough. I love this keyboard, but somehow I just felt that 60% layout is not for me. Too many combination functions to memorize. I personally prefer 75% over this, but hey, that's just me. So that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.